If you can't find the Now TV app on Google Play, just sideload it. Go get the APK from their official website, then press the voice button and say, "Open Google Play Store." Then search and install S2X for sideloading APK on your Google TV. Allow manage all files permission. Long press circle button and select browser upload. Use browser to upload Now TV APK to Google TV. If file extension is zip, rename it to APK, otherwise click to install. Enable install unknown apps to install APK. If cannot find it, no worries, enable developer options first. Go to settings system about, then tap Android TV OS build. You can open Now TV from Google TV home screen.